Good morning students. Welcome to my class. Today we are going to study subject Maths, chapter 12, topic algebraic expression. Now we are on third part of this video. I start with exercise 12.3. Its first question is if m is equal to 2, find the value of first equation is given here m minus 2. Here value of m is equal to 2. So I keep value of m in place of m. m की जगह पे हम उसकी वैल्यू रख देंगे. So solution keep here 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So value of m minus m, if m is equal to 2, then value is 0. Then second one, 3m minus 5. So I keep value of m is equal to 2 minus 5. 3 into 2 minus 5. 3 2s are 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Bigger integer is plus. So I write here 1. So answer is 1. Third one, 9 minus 5m. 9, 5m value is 2. 9 minus 10. Here is bigger integer is minus 10. So minus 10 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. Answer is minus 1. Here fourth one, 3m square minus 2m minus 7. Keep value m is 2 square. 2 minus 7, 3. 2 into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 7. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 4 minus 7. So 12 minus 11. Bigger integer is 12. So 12 minus 11 is 1. So answer is 1. Fifth one, 5m by 2 minus 4. So 5, 2, 4. 5 into 2 is minus 4 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2 minus 4. 2 ones are and 5s are is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Its answer. Okay. So हम क्या करेंगे, m की जगह पे वैल्यू इज m इज इक्वल टू 2 वो रख देंगे. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आल्सो सेम टू सेम. वैसे ही जो करना था वैसे ही करना है, बट हियर इज वैल्यू, हियर इज वेरिएबल इज p वैल्यू इज minus 2. Okay, so first one is 4p plus 7. Okay, so first 4 value of p is minus 2 plus 7. ठीक है, तो 4 minus 2 minus 8 plus 7. Minus 8 plus 7. Answer is minus 1. Bigger integer is 8. So we keep the bigger integer sign. So answer is minus 1. Okay. Then here minus 3p square minus plus 4p plus 5. So minus 3, p value is minus 2 square plus 4p plus 7. See, so here is minus 3 and here minus 2 square. So 2 times minus 2 minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. So here see 1, 2 and 3 times minus. So minus minus plus plus minus minus. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So here is minus 12. अगर 3 टाइम माइनस है तो आंसर हमारा माइनस में आएगा. इफ 4 टाइम माइनस तो आंसर विल कम इन पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. अगर वो पॉजिटिव में आ जाएगा. हियर आल्सो 1 टाइम माइनस. सो प्लस माइनस minus 8 plus 7. So minus minus plus and sign bigger integer. So here is minus 20 plus 7.
20 plus 7 is equal to minus 13.
Yes, third one, minus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Here value of p is minus 2. So minus 2 here and minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 square plus 4 into p plus 7. First we keep the value of p in such way. Then we expand minus 2 Here cube, it means 3 times minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Okay, here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here is 4 times minus 2. It means answer is plus 16. इसका कितना हो जाएगा? Plus 16. Here 1, 2 and 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Minus 12. And here minus 8. In here 7. Plus 16 plus 7 is 23. Minus 20. Minus 12 minus 8 is minus 20 and 16 plus 7 is 23. So our answer is plus 3. 23 minus 20 is 3. So our answer is plus 3. Yes, question 3. Find the value of following expression when x is equal to minus 1. This sum for your homework because its solution is as question number 2. So you will solve it as question number 2. Yes, question number 4. If a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2, find the value of first one is a square plus b square. Is question number 2 and 3 we keep the value of a in place of a. हम a की जगह पे a की वैल्यू रख देंगे. So here is a is equal to 2. So I keep here 2n square plus minus 2 square. It means 2 into 2 plus minus 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4. And here also 2 times minus, so plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. That is our answer. Then second one, a square, 2 square. Here 2 and here minus 2 plus minus 2 square. 2 into 2, 2 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4 plus minus minus 4 minus minus plus 4. So plus 4 plus, so I change here plus minus minus plus 4. This 2 plus is cut and here is 4. So answer is 4. Then second one is square. Third one is square minus b square. 2 square minus 2 square. So 2 into 2 and here minus 2 into minus 2. So 2 2s are 4 and minus here minus minus plus. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. That is our answer. Question number 5 also same to same as question number 4. Just values are changed. Okay. Their value of a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1, and here is a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 1. Find the value of given expression. So question 5 is as question 4. जैसा question 4 है ऐसा ही question 5 है. So first one 2a plus 2b, 2a square plus b square plus 1, and fourth one a square plus ab plus 2. These three questions of question 5 for your homework, and question 3 I solve here. First, just 2 value of a is 0 and value of b is minus 1 plus 2, 0, 1 square plus 0, and here is minus 1. So value of b is minus 1, so I keep here minus 1. But here you see here is a 0. Multiply में एक भी 0 आ गया, so value of this term is 0. So here is 0. Here also 1 0. 2 into 0 0, 0 into minus 1 also 0. So कोई भी एक 0 आ गया, it means value of the term is 0. Here also 0. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So answer is 0. In such way you solve first, second and fourth one. Question number 6. Simplify the expression and find the value. If x is equal to 2, it means the value of x is 2. First we simplify this expression. First simplify just x plus 7. Here in outside 4 इट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई, सो पहले हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई देंगे. 4 into x इट मीन्स 4x and 4 minus 5 is minus 20. Okay, then arrange like term. X plus 4x plus 7 minus 20, so 5x, and here is 20 minus 7 is minus 13, so here value of x is 2. Okay, so here we keep the value of x 5 into 2 minus 13, 5 2s are 10 minus 13 is equal to minus 3. Bigger integer is 13, so I keep the sign is minus 3. Second one, 3x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7, this also same. बाहर 3 है तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दोनों से करना है, x से भी करना है, x से भी करना है और 2 से भी. ऐसे नहीं कि ओनली 1 से x के मल्टीप्लाई कर दो देन यू राइट सेम. नो, फर्स्ट you multiply x, then you multiply with 2. So 3 into x is 3x, 3 into 2 6x, 6 plus 5x minus 7. Arrange like term. 3x plus 5x, 6 minus 7. Here is 8x and here is bigger integer is 7, so here is minus 1. Then put value of x is equal to 2. फाइनल आ जाने के बाद ही हम वैल्यू रखेंगे. सो x वैल्यू इज 2 minus 8 2s are 16 minus 1, that is answer is 15. See third one, 6x plus 5 into bracket x minus 2. First we simplify. 6x multiply 5 into x, 5x, 5 2s are 10 and this 6 plus this 11x and here is minus 10. Then we put if x is equal to 2, then 11 into 2 minus 10. 11 2s are 22 minus 10 and answer is 12. Okay, now here same way, 4 2s are 8x minus 4 plus 3x plus 11. Arrange like term. Here we keep here equal to sign. 8x plus 3x minus 4 plus 11. 8 and 3, it is a 11x plus here is 11 minus 4 is plus 7. Okay, so 11 into 2 plus 7. 11 2s are 22 plus 7. So 22 plus 7 is 29. It's our answer. Question number 7. Simplify these expressions and find their value if x is equal to 3, a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2. The first one is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. First we simplify. Here 3x minus x minus 5 plus 9. So here is 2x and here is plus 4. So value of x is 3. So I keep value of, here I write if x is equal to 3. So 2 into 3 plus 4. 2 3s are 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. It is our answer. Then second one, 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. First we arrange like term. 2 plus 4 plus minus 8x plus 4x. 2 plus 4, 6. Here minus 4x because bigger integer is minus. So 6 minus 4x. If x is equal to 3. So 6 minus 4 into 3. So 6 minus 4 3s are 12. Okay, here is bigger integer is 12 and it is negative. So answer is minus 6. Third one, 3a plus 5 minus 8a. So we arrange 3a minus 8a, like term arrange कर दिया. 5 plus 1. here is minus 5 bigger integer negative plus 6. Value of a is equal to minus 1. So if I write if a is equal to minus 1, so minus 1 in here place of a minus 1 plus 6, minus minus plus, and here is relation is multiply में plus हो जाता है. So here is 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Its answer. Fourth one, 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. It's for your homework because it's same as क्वेश्चन 7, 1 and 2 जो हम 1, 2 और 3 सॉल्व किए, वैसे ही आपको 4 और 5th होमवर्क में सॉल्व करने हैं. 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 minus 9. This question number 7, it's 4 and 5th sum for your homework. Yes, question number 8. If z is equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3z minus 10. First we simplify it. पहले सिंप्लीफाई कर देंगे. इक्वल टू की साइन रखनी है. z क्यूब माइनस 3 इंटू z माइनस 30. ओके, एंड इफ z is equal to 10, so here we write 10 cube minus 3 into z minus 30. So 10 cube 10 into 10 into 10 minus 3 into 10 minus 30. 10 cube, it means here is 1000 minus 30, and here is here minus plus 30. So 3 into 10 30 and plus 30. So plus minus cancel, then answer is 1000. Okay, then here p is equal to minus 10. Find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. Here value of p is 10. So first here no need to simplify. इधर कुछ भी simplify नहीं हो सकेगा. So we keep value directly. p is equal to minus 10. So minus 10 square minus 2 into p 10 minus 100. Here is minus 10. तो इधर भी minus लिखेंगे. 10 square minus 10 into minus 10 minus 2 into minus 10 minus 100. So here minus minus plus 100, here minus minus plus 20, and here is minus 100. Here plus 100, here is minus 100, both are cancelled. So answer is 20. Number 9, what should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5 when x is equal to 0? It means that this expressions the value of x is 0. x की वैल्यू 0 है, तब इसकी पूरी एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू इज 5. सो इन दैट टाइम वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a. तभी हमको a की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. सो वी सॉल्व इट. फर्स्ट वी राइट एक्सप्रेशन 2x square plus x minus a, and its value is 5, and if x is equal to 0, so we keep value of x 0. 0 square plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. 0 आ गया, so its terms value is 0 plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. So minus a is equal to 5. So a की जो साइन है हम 5 को दे देंगे. So a value is minus 5. That is our answer. Okay, then question number 10. Simplify the expressions and find its value when a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3, and expression 2a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. So first we write here expression 2a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. First simplify. 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. अरेंज कर दें लाइक टर्म. 2a square plus 2ab minus ab plus 3. So 2a square, here is bigger sign is plus, so 2 minus, here is no any number, so here is 1. So 2 minus 1 is AB and it is plus, so here is 3. Now if A is equal to 5 and B is equal to minus 3. So we keep the value of A and B. So 2, A value is 5 square. Here is 5, B is minus 3 plus 3. So 2 into 5 into 5 plus 5 into minus 3 plus 3. 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50 and 3 5s are 15 plus 3. Okay, so 50 plus 3. Both integer is positive. So 50 plus 3 minus 15. So 50 plus 3, 53 minus 15. Okay. So here is 50, 13 minus, we subtract here. So 13 minus 5, 8 and 4, it means answer is 38. It's our answer. In after this question, our exercise 12.3 complete. Then we start exercise 12.4. Yes, students, now we are on exercise 12.4. First question, observe the pattern of digit made from a segment of equal length. You will find such line segment digit on the display of electronic watcher or calculator. Here you see the first pattern. Here is a 6 and here is double 6. दो 6 हो जा रहे हैं मिक्स करके. And see the increase of line segment 6 के बाद that is a 11. So 5 line segments are increased. Then after 16 it means here also 5 line segments are increased, and then here given 21, that also after this pattern also 5 line segment increase. So here one general formula is given 5n plus 1. Okay. Then see the second one figure. Here is a 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines are given. 4 after here is the 3 lines increase, and here 3 lines are increased, and then also 13 is given. It means the 3 lines are increased after this. मतलब इसके बाद जो पैटर्न बनेगा उसमें भी इसके बाद 13 लाइन होगी, 13 के बाद 16. So here is the general one formula is given, that is the 3n plus 1. And see when this pattern, here is a 7 lines segment is given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, then 12. It means 5 line segments are increased. इधर भी 5 increase हो रही है. 12 after 7, 17, it means 5. Then 17 after 22. This pattern is shown in your textbook. So please students open your textbook. Then 5n plus 2. Okay. This figures and this general formula. If the number of digits formed is taken to be n, the numbers of segments required to form n digit is given by the algebraic appearing on the right of each pattern. How many segments are required to form 5, 10 and 100 digit of the kind of 6, 4 and here also 8. It means अगर हमको n6 बनाने हो, n4 बनाने हो और n8 बनाने हो, how many line segments are required? But here is we will find only अगर हमें 5 6 बनाने हैं, 10 6 बनाने हैं और 100 6 बनाने हैं, उतना ही फाइंड करेंगे. n के लिए हमें जनरल फॉर्मूला इज गिवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ अवर फिगर. जो फिगर दिया है उसके सामने ही आपका जनरल फॉर्मूला लिखा हुआ है. लेट्स वी सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. हियर सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट वी राइट सॉल्यूशन. The numbers of segment required to make n number of 6 is 5n plus 1, that is a given. Thus when n is equal to 5, अगर n 5 है, so we keep the value of n in this equation. जैसे हम x, a, b या c की जैसे वैल्यू हम इस तरह रखते थे, इन सेम वे हम यहाँ पे n की वैल्यू रखेंगे. सो आई कीप द वैल्यू ऑफ n is equal to 5. So first 5n plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 are 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. So कितना आंसर आया? 26 लाइन सेगमेंट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड when n is equal to 10. अब अगर 10 है, so our formula 5n plus 1, 5 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 5 tens are 50 plus 1 is equal to 51. So 51 line segments are required. When n is equal to 100, 5n plus 1, 5n की प्लेस पे 100 plus 1, so 500 plus 1 is equal to 501 line segments are required. Okay, then B1, B में भी अब सेम है हमारा जनरल फॉर्मूला. वी नो द नंबर्स ऑफ सेगमेंट रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक n नंबर्स ऑफ 4. जो हमारा फोर्थ जो सेकंड फिगर है, इट्स 3n plus 1. हियर आल्सो व्हेन n इज इक्वल टू 5. अगर n इज इक्वल टू 5 है तो 3 n की प्लेस पे क्या लिख देंगे? 5 plus 1. 3 5 are 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. So how many line segments are required? That is a 16. Then line segments are required. Then n is equal to 10. n is equal to 10. So our formula 3n plus 1. So 3 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 30 plus 1 is equal to 31 line segments are required. Okay, अब n is equal to 100 हो तो सेम टू सेम n is equal to 100. So 3 into 100 plus 1 is equal to 300 plus 1 is equal to 301 line segments are required. Okay, here C1, it means third one, it is 8. The numbers of segments required for 8 is 5n plus 2. Okay, this is a given. So here also we find the n, value of n is equal to 5 is given here. So हमको 5 अगर 8 बनाने हैं तो how many line segment we required? So we keep the value of n in place of value of n is equal to 5. So 5n plus 2, 5 into 5 plus 2 it means 25 plus 2 is equal to 27 line segments are required. Then n is equal to 10. So 5n plus 2, 5, 10 plus 2, this means 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. 52 line segments are required. When n is equal to 100, so 5n plus 2, 5n की प्लेस पे 100 plus 2, so 500 plus 2 is equal to 502 line segments are required. Yes, student, question number 2. Use the given expression to complete the table of number pattern. Here is expression is given first 2n minus 1 and it's first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Here all first value given, third, second value given, third, fourth and fifth also here given and 10th also given. So we will find only one. इधर हमको find करनी है. It means 100 पे. So 2n expression is 2n minus 1. So I write here, so 2n minus 1. So the 100 term is equal to 2n minus 1. तो हम n की प्लेस पे क्या रख देंगे? 100. So 2 into 100 minus 1 is equal to 200 minus 1 is equal to 99. So इधर कितना आ जाएगा? Here 99. Then see second expression 3n plus 2. Here 5, 8, 11 and 14 here given. But in fifth value is not given. So we find the fifth value. So we write here 3n plus 2. We write here n की जगह पे क्या लिख देंगे? 5 plus 2. 3 5 are 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. तो इधर कितना आ जाएगा? इधर we write here बॉक्स में हमको लिखना हो तो कितना लिखेंगे? That is 17. Then 10th की जगह भी खाली है. So we will find the value of 10. इसमें ही हम 10 निकालेंगे. 3 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 10 3 is 30 plus 2 is that is 32. तो इधर कितना आ जाएगा? 32. देन वैल्यू ऑफ 100, फिर 100 की फाइंड करेंगे. 3 into 100 plus 2 इट मीन्स 300 plus 2 is equal to 302. तो हियर इज वैल्यू हम लिख देंगे दैट इज 302. देन हियर थर्ड वन 4n plus 1 that also fifth 10 और 100 तीनों की हमको निकालनी है. सो वी राइट थर्ड वन हियर 4n plus 2 and fifth value. So I first write fifth. 4 5 are 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. So हम इधर कितना लिख देंगे? 22. Then 10 4 into 10 plus 2. So 40 plus 2 is equal to 42. तो इधर कितनी आ जाएगी? 42. Then 100 4 into 100 plus 2. It means 400 plus 2 is equal to 402. So here answer is 402. Okay. Then 7n plus 20. 7n plus 20. इसमें भी फिफ्थ वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. तो 7 and 20. 7 5 are 35 plus 20. 35 plus 20 that is 55. So we write here 55. Then 10th value 7 into 10 plus 20. So 70 plus 20 that is 90. तो here is कितना हो जाएगा? That is 90. 19 के बाद 700 plus 20. So 700 plus 20 that is 720. तो इधर कितना हो जाएगा? That is 720. Then last one n square plus 1 expression कौन सा है? That is n square plus 1. उसमें भी value of fifth. तो 5 square plus 1 it means 25 plus 1 that is 26. तो इधर फर्स्ट में कितना आ जाएगा? n square में that is 26. उसके बाद that is 10th value. So 10 square plus 1. 10 square it means 10 into 10 plus 1. So 100 plus 1 is equal to 101. So we write here 101 and then last is 100. 100 का स्क्वायर कर देंगे plus 1. 100 square it means 100 into 100 plus 1. So here is 10,000 plus 1. So 10,001 that is our answer. Yes, 10,001 that is already given here. So we don't need to find. पर मैंने कैसे आया वो explain करने के लिए इधर find किया है. Okay, I hope you understand full chapter. Now our chapter is finished. We will meet in next chapter with new video.